In this video, we're going to learn how to delete a student in our classroom project. So we'll cover the following topics. First off, I'll give you a demo of the application for deleting a student. Then we'll look at the big picture, and then we'll also look at the sequence diagram just to see how everything fits together. All right, so let's start off with a demo of the application. Note here on the far right, we have a new column for delete, and that's a new link here. And each link has the actual student ID embedded. Now, when I click on this link, the application is going to prompt me, hey, are you sure you want to delete this student? In this case, I'll hit cancel. So note, nothing happened to the application, nothing happened to the data. But now let's go ahead and actually delete a user. So we're going to delete Lisa Mangano. We click on OK. And note, Lisa Mangano is no longer in the list. She was deleted from our application, actually deleted from the database. Let's try it one more time. Here's a guy at the bottom, Maxwell Zeno. We'll hit delete, and then we'll hit OK, and Maxwell Zeno is now gone. So we're basically deleting users from the database. Now let's take a look at the big picture here. So we're going to have this list students.jsp. It has that column with the new link here for delete. They'll hit that, they'll select that link, go over to our controller servlet. This person will read that delete command and then pass it off to our database util, and that person will handle the low-level Jdbc code for deleting a given student from the database. Now, a little bit more about this action link. So each row will have a delete link, and basically this link has the current student ID embedded inside of it. So like you saw in the demo, when you click this link, it'll prompt the user first. It'll actually go and delete the student from the database. Now here's the sequence diagram, just more kind of behind the scenes work here. So this list students.jsp, the user clicks the delete link. It's going to call the doGet method on our servlet, and we'll pass over a command equals delete. So our servlet will take that command, say, okay, now we need to do a delete. And then it'll actually call the delete student method on our database util. And this is very similar to what we've done in all of the previous videos. All right, so I love my to-do list. So the first thing we're going to do is add a delete link to the JSP. Then we'll add code to that controller servlet to handle the processing of that delete command. Then we'll add code to our student database util to actually do the low-level Jdbc work for deleting a student. So that's the game plan. I'm excited. I'm ready to write some code, and we'll do everything from scratch.